Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Ravindra. I'm dermatologist and cosmetologist. My clinic Meenakshi Cosmoderma Care is at Arkere Myco Layout, Bannerghatta Road. I also practice at BGS Global Hospital, Uttarali Road, Bangalore. There are no best ideal creams available in the market. It depends on individual skin type and the tone for which the cream suits for them. For example, usually vitamin C, vitamin E and aloe vera and other topical mild peeling agents like the creams containing tretinoin, they are helpful to maintain the color of the skin. So to see any visible result, at least 4 to 6 weeks of usage of creams along with the avoidance and the maintenance is required.